السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. صحابتي سين سلامة سوني فاميلي سين سلامة سلام سارة صحابتي معان فرينتي معان قلبي أدونك ما شاء الله تبارك الله ما شاء الله سين سلامة سلام سارة هي حوالي سين سمرسي ما أنت أنا بقى قل كيك جر إلى سارة جايز هذا ندجي كشتينا بكاس أنا سارة دي ishana la iidami hee ilaan iyo isho ay weyn waa isho muflasi kadhay kasteena alxamdulilah hadda maanta hamiin way juma beri juma gabna maanta qada may asha may karsanay baasta laakiin hadda may saarsado fadooyo ukun iyo may laayso broccoli iyo iska darsado fadooy banka jaba deganka ama fadoy kasteena هي أنا همين إن أول عام ينكوكتم ويول كلام ينكوكتم وحنو وحبو وحشيغو hey say why let me tell you something. I'm eating, I'm drinking, I'm talking. Yeah, that's it. That's in Krukten Castena. Let's go in my kitchen to walak uhun to walak broccoli. If you don't know the broccoli, guys, in African people, I will show you guys Castena broccoli. But American people, they know broccoli, what that mean, what they look. Castena broccoli, yo sharum, yo ilam kudra, wala kala kada darsanya. I don't know what they call, but afuji, I don't know. I'm doing that. Let's go in my kitchen. Let's go. Let's go in my kitchen. Orto close wala fresh kaksbi. Hashali bad diyari alab. alaabta shalay aad diyaaray shalay freshka gudisidi make is yes this is this shalay diyaaray ma sha Allah everything I cut it and I put on a fresh. It's ready. What the hell? Okay guys, let me pick. Guys, kitchen karo sahan kay wa ko diyaaray broccoli wa ko. Did you wash it? Ukong insyan. Gare ukong. Eggs. Okay. Onion insyan. Abato onion insyan. Guys, this is the broccoli what I'm talking about. This one I'm talking about, guys. Let me show you guys. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This. You see this? This one. If you don't know this, the sokor kawan, the ikan kawan, the blush berry, baladai blush, whatever you eat, you need to eat this. Okay, give me the eggs, kulisha, the box sha. Kuli in ada, wali yaptang the two wing kalang katal kalat, and the two wing could the mo lafah urong kang lafah urong lafaga. Look like they have to like a Dit ween ka orang entah low light kain is too small. Light kam na munuroy kastem. Where ko kutsyang? Okay, ukun tayo na wato. African ukun, fresh malgriyaw bunker na kalafir. That's weird, guys. Now, let me back. Guys, the things were here. Kastem na ukun tak mahshula like beat me na aman. Don't mashhul me. Don't worry about me. Don't do nothing about me. Do yourself about you, girl. Hi guys, the birthday. Yeah guys, girl. Yeah, again, it's so delicious. Castay, come eat with me, sis. I finished my food. This was café. I finished wako eh. Wala tay sana ang diyar sa kadahi wako. Sewa he nema. Didiwing hartiyal kan didiwing hadis yang kau sang kadeka. Saan kadeka chabib sing nagadayang kastena. Hartigay sangwe, hartigay dukoy, hartigay wadukoy, hartigay sangwe. No, babe.
You make the food.
Babe, you need to make this your husband. No, if you give it this your husband every single night, hey, you're gonna see the result. Sis, you need to cook this. Ano ba the dok dagadi iska amoy kida every night. Yeah, juice kana wako he. Koshe ko ya he. Koshe ko ya. The juice for the wala the juice for the isuwa yang kuwarhaya sa hangkang hadda meela saara fado in ku sawar haya ahee saxankana meel saara kisto yar iga suga hee kisto yar in ku suga baldayba may gosh ahee saas ma jirta hee darabeed suga kana meel saara gabsartay dejiyo fadoy yasiye dhamay waa mo kasteena dhamay saxanka siinta sway alhamdulillah meel daal in ka samuumi kasteena ما شاء الله دماء الحمد لله guys والعاموكو subscribe like share comment أكتم وايه والكلا مجرو دماءني والعاموكو وكنت يبروكولي عافمات وايه سنسي أملايتا ما عافمات جرفكا نفاكين ويلي فيتامين واي هدي أو ديغو أو فيتامين كدي أو آيون كهوس أي آيون كنا ولا نقاده كستينا هي الحمد لله إلهي الله نين كبدا ونين كديكو ما شاء الله إلهي نين بركيو إلهي كينا واكو كسيشيكو يابا ساري وانا دجي وشيكو يا هي